Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Nastia Mijahrani. On this good occasion, let us offer praise and gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His grace and guidance so that we are all always healthy and happy. Amin. Did you know that 68% of the world's population owns a smartphone and has 24/7 access to social media? Many people wake up in the morning and are still lying in bed scrolling through social media before finally getting up and starting to get ready for their activities. Social media has become an inseparable part of our lives, with various platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp. We can communicate with anyone, anywhere, and anytime. However, behind all the convenience and benefits offered, social media also has a significant impact on our interpersonal relationship. Social media does not foster closer social relationship. In fact, it makes interpersonal communication more difficult. According to Alred and Atkin, remote communication is a double-edged sword that has the potential to improve relationship with people behind the screen and threaten their quality for the people present together. Some innovation may have a positive impact, but many people worry that interpersonal aspects are lost, affecting how relationships work. First, let's look at the positive impacts. Social media allow us to stay connected with friends and family who are far away from us. We can share important moments, exchange news, and provide support to each other. In a professional context, social media also help us build work networks, share information, and promote ourselves. Apart from that, social media can facilitate certain trends and movements. For example, underprivileged people who need help. Communities can be formed on social media, such as fundraising communities, and support groups can be formed using social media, which can have a positive impact for later donation. However, behind this benefit, there are also negative impacts that we need to be aware of. Many individuals tend to be distracted by social media while carrying out routine activities, studying, or working. Instead of communicating with relative partner, CEO works, and other people, they scroll through social media and are busy on their own cell phones. This is a form of anxiety that makes people dependent on constant online updates and has a negative impact on interpersonal communication. The most obvious negative impact is the decline in the quality of face-to-face interaction. Many of us prefer to communicate through a screen rather than face-to-face. This can reduce our ability to read facial expression, body language, and voice intonation, all of which are very important in interpersonal communication. Additionally, social media often creates an illusion about other people's lives. Seeing posts from friends who always look happy and successful can make us feel dissatisfied with our own lives. This can trigger feeling of low self-esteem, anxiety, and even depression. In addition, many teenagers can be easily deceived and trust strangers who pretend to be other people more than their family members, making themselves vulnerable to various dangers associated with such behavior. Meanwhile, parents may be indifferent to everything because they don't have social media. To overcome this negative impact, we need to be wise in using social media. First, limit the time you use social media. Set a special time to interact directly with family and friends. Second, be a critical user. Remember that what we see on social media does not always reflect reality. And finally, continue to prioritize face-to-face interaction. appreciate the moment with the people closest to us without distraction from the virtual world. Thus, we can utilize social media positively without sacrificing the quality of our interpersonal relationship. Let us together be wise in using social media so that we can keep our interpersonal relationship harmonious and full of meaning. Thank you for your attention. Hopefully, what I say can be useful for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.